basically we are based in London, so we'll be playing in the Middlesex County Football League in London. So there are 4 divisions in Middlesex County League, and we are in the 4th division. So our league is known as Jeff Nardin Division. So there is two promotions, like top two teams get promoted for the 3rd division, then the second, then the first, and then the Premier Division. From there, the team gets promoted to 8th division. We're playing our first match of the season tomorrow on 17th. We are playing against North London FC Reserves. That's a new team in the league as well, like us. So we are well prepared. We have played couple of teams, like 3 teams in the league, and we have done well in the pre-season as well, like practice matches. So we look forward, and we are really excited to be playing, all Goans to be playing together. Our intention to form a club is only because most of the Goans are settled here in UK now. We as a Indians are always known for cricket. No one knows us football, but we as a Goans are more passionate about football. We love football. Football runs in our blood. So as all the Goans, we normally play 7-a-side football tournaments in summer. So it was like we some of us got together and we thought about getting a club of our own, like Goan United FC. Some, so we are known as footballers. We love football, and that's how it started. So the name of the club we have kept is Goan United FC. Our aim is to enjoy football because we are here to work. So we just want to enjoy football because football runs in our blood, and we'll try and give our best and do well in the league.